Hi guys, in this particular problem, uh, this is a quadratic equation. We're going to compute the discriminant. So first of all, you have to know what discriminant is, right? So we define, if you remember the formula, quadratic formula is like this: negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. So this is the formula that I would hope that everybody is able to remember. So now this blue part, this the ones that in blue, that's so-called discriminant. So we need to determine the discriminant. Okay, so that means we need to compute the blue one. So which means we need to do this. Okay, so now let's identify A, B, C. So A is 2, B is negative 6, C is 7. So therefore, when you do that, b squared is going to be negative 6 squared minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is 7. So do the algebra. I hope that you recognize negative 6 squared is going to be 36, not negative 36, minus. So this seems like 56. So therefore, you have negative 20, right? So that's the discriminants that you have. Now, if you remember that in class we discussed that when the discriminant is negative, which means this part is negative, under the square root is negative, then you don't have real roots. You don't have any real solution. However, you will have two complex solution, okay? Two complex solution. So that's what we are gonna we should know. So therefore, you should be able to answer this question. Okay. In the next three questions, number 6, number 7, and then, so in the next two questions, they are very much similar. So all you have to do is determine the. So this is actually number 7 now. So you find the discriminants b squared minus 4ac. So keep in mind, if this discriminant is greater than 0, then you have two real solutions. Okay, two real solutions. Of course, depending on whether this is a perfect square or not. If it's perfect square, then you have two real rational solutions. If it's not perfect square, you have two real irrational solutions because it's not perfect square. If it's equal to 0, then you have only one, one repeated real solutions. Okay, sometimes we just call it one rational solution. If it's less than 0, then you don't have any real solutions, just two complex solutions.